Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that Microsoft wanted to explain this week is the reason behind the multiple restarts that are happening with the install of the latest two updates. So here we're talking on Windows 11, 24H2, and 25H2 of the updates that are KB508-3631 and KB508-3769. These two updates on some machines might restart 3 or 4 times. And Microsoft says this is a normal behavior. And I've actually had a lot of comments in the on the channel about this. So what's happening is that Microsoft says it has to do with the secure boot certificates that are being verified. So basically, what happens is for some it's a verification, for some it's they're actually being replaced with newer secure boot certificates while the updates were done. So that is the way that they explain that there are multiple restarts with the latest two updates, and they are saying that the next few updates will probably be the same. Once again, as more and more computers get their secure boot certificates installed. So this is the explanation. As Microsoft says, it's not a problem, and it could happen in the future depending on the type of update. That an update will restart the computer 3 or 4 times. It is not an unusual behavior. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.